So where do you see independent pharmacy going in the next 5 to 10 years?
I'll definitely see a hybrid pharmacy. Hopefully, I think what the trend I'm seeing is owners are finally realizing, hey, we need a clinical pharmacist.
Right.
Someone on staff just to do clinical work. And I think it's a growing trend now. And so hopefully that's where we're at in 5 years. We're doing a lot more medical billing and working in collaboration with plans and prescribers, kind of like an ACO model, but not an ACO model, right? So some type of integration where it's mutually beneficial for everyone is the way that I think it's going.
What do you think about the COVID pills?
That should be interesting. There's a lot of conspiracy talk.
Okay.
but
let's pretend that chip that pill doesn't have a chip in it or something. So.
Yes. So the distribution model right now, I think it's pretty much it's going to be state controlled. I guess local jurisdiction controlled. I know that there's going to be some federal pharmacy partners that are going to sign. I know that CPESN has signed to be a partner.
Nice.
But we don't have too many details. I did see an article recently about something about the Pfizer being 90% effective or something.
I think the one I saw this morning was 85% effective against serious hospitalization. So that's pretty strong.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So distribution wise, we'll see how that works out under the EUA.
Do you think it'll be pharmacist prescribed in California?
I think it probably will.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because, I
that
think
would be the ideal.
What I'd like. Yeah. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
No, she said that would be ideal.
That would be ideal. Yeah. That's the
ideal. This is what I was going to mention. I mean, it's incredible if you think about a healthcare emergency in pharmacies. We can test, we can vaccinate, and we can treat. I mean, where can you do all three? Really, it's no one is quite as nimble as independent pharmacy.
Yep.
You need something set up. You need a contract. You talk to the owner. Boom, done. Right? It's nimble, fast, effective. And I think that health departments are starting to recognize how quick we can get things up and running.
Yeah. And what we hope is that CPESN, because historically the one guy's nimble, but working with 1,000 of the one guys isn't nimble, right? So hopefully what CPESN brings to the table is expanding that nimbleness of the one guy to the nimbleness of the blah, 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 to the 1,000. So,
it's like not having to reinvent the wheel is exactly what CPESN is all about. I don't have to come up with the way to do it. Well, I could, and then I could share the best practice, and then we can just make it, it's continuous quality improvement, making things work better, faster, and more efficient, as a group.